मनुष्य अपनी रेस्पिरेटरी रिदम को चेंज कर सकता है, मॉडिफाई कर सकता है according to the demands of the tissues of the body, and this is done with the help of neural system, nervous system. A specialized center is found in the medulla region of the brain for this, and this is called respiratory rhythm center. This is the main place for regulation. Another center is found in the pons region nearby the medulla. The pons region contains pneumotoxic center for regulating of the respiratory rhythm. A third center, also important, is found in the medulla again. That means medulla mainly carries two main respiratory centers, whereas one center is found in the pons of the brain. Looking at their roles, the main, that is respiratory rhythm center, ये क्या करता है? ये इंस्पिरेशन के लिए है मेनली. It is called inspiratory center and it is related with normal inspiration and expiration regulation. Expiratory center, ये क्या करता है? ये फोर्सफुल इंस्पिरेशन या एक्सपिरेशन को कंट्रोल करता है. पॉन्स का रीजन जो न्यूमोटैक्सिक रीजन है, this regulates the RRC of the medulla, and it is also responsible for increasing or decreasing the rate of respiration. During exercise, the rate gets increased thanks to the pneumotaxic center in the pons. Have you seen a dog panting with the tongue out? So it is a very shallow breathing, but the rate is very high, and this is again due to pneumotaxic center regulation. Chemical control of respiration with the help of chemicals. Chemosensitive areas are there. दो main हैं areas, the aortic body, a group of neurons situated where? Just near the aorta. These are found cluster of neurons called aortic body. Same way, ये जो कैरोटिड आर्टरी की फोर्क है, बाइफर्केशन हो रही है, ये जो यहाँ पे कैरोटिड बॉडी मिलती है, अगेन अ ग्रुप ऑफ न्यूरॉन्स which are chemosensitive in nature. Both these areas are chemosensitive in nature and they help in controlling the rate of respiration in man. ये ह्यूमन हार्ट है, उसका चित्र हाईली सिंप्लीफाइड डायग्राम है, हाईली सिंबॉलिक डायग्राम है. ये चैम्बर्स बनाए गए हैं 4. ये एओर्टा निकलती हुई दिखाई गई है फ्रॉम द वेंट्रिकल and which is reaching out to the various body parts carrying the oxygenated blood. aorta, इसी के पास ही पड़ी मिलती है aortic body. aortic body और carotid body ये कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के कंसंट्रेशन और हाइड्रोजन आयन के कंसंट्रेशन को देखते हैं और उसके लिए सेंसिटिव होते हैं, यानी पीएच के प्रति सेंसिटिव. जब भी ये ज़्यादा हो जाएं दोनों चीज़ें, तो ये अलर्ट कर देते हैं ब्रेन को. जो रेस्पिरेटरी रिदम सेंटर्स हैं ब्रेन के, उसको सिग्नल्स भेजते हैं. दे सेंड द सिग्नल्स टू द ब्रेन सो दैट these can be reduced, these substances can be eliminated or reduced.